Right, okay.
Ayun lang.
And so since you are currently in your solo act, I'm sure there's a way for you guys to connect or keep in touch. So I'm wondering, do you guys have a group chat? If so, is there a name to this group chat?
Actually meron kami, yun yung group chat namin ever since na
Mhm.
nag-start kami.
Okay,
Yung group
that's
chat
cool.
name, SB19 lang din talaga. SB19, literal na SB19.
Yeah.
Tapos ayun, yung picture pa nga niya is yung parang lumang photo pa namin, as in 2018 photo,
Love
2017,
it.
ewan ko, 2018 photo. So,
Yeah. So what do you guys usually like to share? If it's not necessarily like asking for advice or anything, like you share like memes or like mga posts na share ninyo.
um, yari. Yari. Actually, kapag two things lang yung madalas na pinag-uusapan namin doon.
Mhm.
If it's too serious na kailangan kaming 5 lang yung mag-uusap, and
Ah.
then the other one is too confidential. Too confidential. Paano ba? Kalokohan. Let's
Oo,
say,
oo,
kalokohan. Na
oo.
kaming 5 lang din dapat yung maka-alam.
Gets.
So,
Yeah.
not so, hindi naman like sobrang sama na kalokohan. Yung inside jokes and all lang.
Yeah,
Parang
for
ganyan.
sure. I love
So,
those kinds
ayan.
of group chats for
Yeah.
sure. Parang dapat kayo lang. Parang group chat within a group chat. Group chat. Minsan